Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about a special meal tonight? Rock lobster tails are surprisingly easy to prepare, and they really elevate any dining experience. Their sweet, succulent meat is a true delicacy, perfect for a memorable occasion. We'll show you exactly how to get that perfect result right in your own kitchen. It's simpler than you might think to enjoy this gourmet delight. First things first, make sure your lobster tails are fully thawed. The best way is to let them sit in the refrigerator overnight. Once thawed, grab some sturdy kitchen shears. Carefully cut lengthwise down the top of the hard shell, all the way to the tail fan. Then, gently pull the meat up through that cut, letting it rest right on top of the shell. This butterfly cut helps it cook evenly and look beautiful. Broiling is our go-to method for unbelievably tender and flavorful lobster. Preheat your broiler, then brush that beautiful exposed meat generously with some melted butter. A little salt and pepper will really bring out the natural sweetness. Place them on a baking sheet and broil for roughly 1 minute per ounce of tail meat. You'll know they're ready when the meat turns opaque and is no longer translucent. If you prefer a gentler cook, baking is a wonderful option. Just preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For a fantastic outdoor twist, grilling adds a delicious smoky char. Regardless of your method, the key is not to overcook. A meat thermometer is your best friend here, aiming for an internal temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures perfect tenderness every time. Once your lobster tails are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them right away, accompanied by a small dish of melted butter and some fresh lemon wedges. For a complete meal, they pair beautifully with steamed asparagus, a simple rice pilaf, or a fresh, crisp green salad. You've just created a stunning, restaurant-quality dish right in your own kitchen. Savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.